Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm here to show you how to create an alarm on your iPhone. In the upper right hand corner, once you make your way into the clock app, go ahead and tap on the plus sign and the add alarm menu should pop up. Designate the time that you want to have your alarm set for. Just for an example, set it to 7:30 a.m. From there, you can adjust to whether you want it to AM or PM, and you can also adjust the repeat. So if you want to have it on every day, you just tap on every function here, tap on the back, and you can label it. Let's see, work alarm. From there, you can select your sounds from the ringtone options. If you have any songs, you can go ahead and tap on that to open it up, or you can purchase certain alarm sounds. Once you're done with that, all you have to do is tap on save, and your alarm that you've just set will appear below. It's that simple. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel.